Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch art. To begin your artistic journey, gather some fundamental supplies. You will need a range of graphite pencils, perhaps a 2B, a 4B, and an HB, along with quality drawing paper and a kneaded eraser. Good lighting is also crucial for observing your subject and your artwork clearly. These simple tools are your foundation for creating beautiful sketches. Now, let's dive into some fundamental techniques. Start by practicing basic geometric shapes. This helps develop hand-eye coordination and control. Explore varying your line weight, making some lines darker or lighter to add dimension. Try different shading techniques like hatching, using parallel lines or cross-hatching for richer tones. Remember to hold your pencil gently for more natural and flowing lines. To elevate your sketches, focus on depth and detail. Observe how light falls on your subject, creating highlights and shadows. Gradually build up your tonal values, moving from the lightest areas to the darkest to give your drawing a sense of volume. Pay attention to the negative space around your subject. It helps define its form. Selectively add key details to enhance realism without making the sketch too busy. Consistent practice is the most important aspect of improving your sketch art. Try to sketch for at least 15 minutes daily. Even short sessions add up significantly. Drawing directly from life, rather than photographs, sharpens your observational abilities. Look at the work of other artists for inspiration and to discover new approaches. Most importantly, embrace every drawing as a step in your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.